Friends, starting a cottage industry is not simply about buying a machine and expecting immediate profits. It involves selecting a product that customers buy repeatedly, understanding the production process, ensuring quality control, and building a reliable customer network. So in this video, you will see 10 practical cottage industry machines, their market opportunities, business opportunities, risks, and realistic sales options. These industries generally address existing market needs in various regions of India, but demand alone never guarantees success. Factors such as production costs, electricity, labor, wages, packaging, transportation, and local competition determine whether a business becomes profitable. Also, this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to sell dreams. The aim is to help you understand what it really takes to build a sustainable manufacturing industry in India. Now come, let's watch. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 10. Detergent Cake Making Machine. Let's start with a machine related to one of the most stable markets. That is the detergent cake machine. This machine processes chemical ingredients into solid detergent cakes used for laundry and household cleaning. Once the formula is standardized, maintaining consistent quality across batches requires diligent process control. Raw materials include surfactants, soda ash, fragrances, colorants, and packaging materials. The finished detergent cakes can be supplied to wholesalers, supermarkets, retail stores, and institutional buyers. But building customer trust depends on the cleaning performance of the detergent you manufacture. Number 9. Animal Feed Pellet Machine. Next is the animal feed pellet machine, which transforms low-cost raw materials into a product with consistent market demand. This machine compresses agricultural byproducts into pellets for livestock and pet feed. The demand for quality animal feed is constant from local farmers and pet owners. It's not as simple as just throwing in waste. You'll need to research feed formulation and add supplements to create nutrient-dense pellets. But this machine lets you create custom blends that stand out. It can produce several dozen kilograms per hour, making it a great business for rural areas. A garage or shed is ideal as it can be noisy. Number 8. Automatic Papad Making Machine. Next, there is a machine for those interested in food processing, the Papad Making Machine. These affordable machines automate the rolling and cutting of papads, a staple snack in every Indian household and growing favorite on international menus. Since freshness and unique flavors are key, you can compete by focusing on product quality, freshness, and regional flavors. This business is all about consistency. So first, set up a small unit and supply local grocery stores, restaurants, and caterers. With the machine producing hundreds of papads an hour, you can meet high demand and create custom flavors, from classic urad dal to trendy ragi or quinoa papads. Number 7. Plastic Bottle Blowing Machine. Next, let us look at plastic bottle blowing machines, which serve one of India's rapidly growing packaging industries. This machine transforms PET preforms into finished bottles used for drinking water, cooking oil, beverages, cosmetics, and household cleaning products. The investment depends on the level of automation and production capacity. But demand remains significant because bottles are widely used across multiple industries. The business model is to purchase PET preforms, manufacture bottles in various sizes, and supply them directly to local factories and distributors. Success hinges on securing local buyers, managing raw material costs, and maintaining consistent quality. Number 6. Ice Cream Cone Making Machine. The next machine is linked to a market that thrives every summer and remains active year-round: the Ice Cream Cone Making Machine. This machine transforms a simple mixture of flour, sugar, and edible ingredients into the crispy cones supplied to ice cream manufacturers, shops, and confectionaries. The production process is largely automated, capable of continuously producing hundreds of cones every hour. Since wholesale orders are more consistent, the real opportunity lies in delivering to businesses instead of individual customers. Strong packaging is just as important as the product itself, as damaged cones quickly become wasted merchandise. Number 5. Hydraulic Paper Plate Machine. Now let's look at a machine that will benefit from the growing demand for single-use food packages, the hydraulic paper plate machine. This machine presses and forms sheets of paper into strong single-use plates used by caterers, restaurants, temples, and street food vendors. This investment is relatively affordable for many small manufacturers, and once production is set up, the operating process is simple. Its main raw materials are laminated paper sheets, various sizes of prints, and packaging materials. Production can continue throughout the day with minimal labor, allowing it to continue to supply goods to wholesalers and retailers. Number 4. Slipper making machine. Another interesting business opportunity arises from footwear, specifically the kind of sandals people frequently replace. A sandal making machine transforms EVA or rubber sheets into finished footwear. You can sell under your own brand or supply to wholesalers. Depending on the machine's capacity, even a small-scale production unit can manufacture a consistent number of pairs daily. By making your own sandals, you can sell them at competitive prices to local shoe stores, rural markets, and wholesalers. Product quality is crucial. Comfortable and durable sandals not only generate repeat orders, but also help build strong relationships with retailers. Number 3. Food dehydrator machine. Thirdly, if you are looking for a business related to the healthy food market, the food dehydrator is worth your attention. This machine removes moisture from fruits, vegetables, herbs, mushrooms, and spices while helping to preserve their flavor and nutritional value. Production begins with cleaning and slicing the raw materials before loading them into the dehydrator. The finished products can be directly packaged or ground into powder using a grinding machine and supplied to supermarkets, natural food stores, food processors, or online customers. The biggest advantage of this is value addition, but maintaining the right humidity levels and hygienic packaging are essential for the quality of the product. Number 2. Sanitary napkin machine. The next machine is linked to a market with the power to transform lives, the low-cost sanitary napkin machine. This innovation, driven by social entrepreneurs, is leading to the local production of high-quality sanitary pads at affordable prices. As awareness regarding menstrual hygiene grows, so does the demand for these products, particularly in underserved rural areas. This machine places you at the heart of a social revolution. It processes wood pulp, cellulose fiber, superabsorbent polymer, that's SAP powder, and non-woven fabrics into sterile pads that can be sold through local women's groups, NGOs, and schools. This business empowers communities and has significant social impact. Number 1. Paper napkin making machine. Finally, let's look at a business that offers a machine for making paper napkins, one of the most widely used disposable items. This equipment converts tissue paper rolls into folded napkins used by restaurants, cafeterias, hotels, hospitals, offices, and catering companies. Depending on the machine, thousands of napkins can be produced each hour before being packaged for bulk distribution. Because napkins are used daily, commercial buyers often place repeat orders. The real competitive advantage is to offer consistent quality, reliable delivery, and attractive packaging at competitive prices. So friends, these are 10 small-scale manufacturing business ideas that can be started from a workshop or a small production unit. However, businesses that manufacture food products must follow relevant food safety regulations and licensing procedures. Furthermore, ensuring reliable suppliers, a steady power supply, trained staff, quality control, and a consistent customer base will provide a significant advantage. Before making any decisions, you must carefully analyze factors such as local demand, costs, and the availability of raw materials. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.